Chi,
Were you laying with your
you want the
sister?
bed? Chi, you want me to turn the air on?
I'm gonna keep your sister safe.
What did that sound?
Did they hate that thing?
It's all dry and clean. Hey, get your boy. I'm protected by sister.
You're to protect her.
Why are you protecting your sister from the air?
Oh my god, I gotta send this to my dad.
You need to protect her, right? The storm is coming. Yeah. That's a good point. Alright. Storm is over. Storm is over. There we go. You can stop protecting her. The storm already passed.
Gotta keep her safe.
Camilla is like, what is the story? Good boy.
Good boy.
You're a really good boy. I like you. I never liked you, but I think I like you now. Go protect your sister.
He's okay. She's alright.
Yeah? You good?
She's alright.
You're a good boy. Alright, get ready for the bath. Say bye to Mama.
Bath time.
Bath time.
Bye,
Alright.
Mama.
Alrighty. Take care of that.